Hello everyone, this is K-Size China. Today, we would like to introduce a capacitive level transmitter, the KSLV605. The KSLV605 is made of integral 304 stainless steel as standard, and the material can also be customized according to different working conditions. The internal electrode is made of PTFE, and the measurement accuracy can reach 0.5%. This product can meet the requirements of most level measurement applications and is suitable for corrosive liquids, foam, high pressure, fluctuating levels, high temperature, and low temperature operating environments. In terms of appearance configuration, the KSLV605 can be equipped with an optional digital display. This is the KSLV605 with a digital display, and this is the standard KSLV605. In terms of signal output, the KSLV605 supports an RS485 interface and uses the Modbus RTU protocol. It also supports 4 to 20 mA or 0 to 10 V standard analog output, with the output current or voltage range freely configurable. In addition, the product supports up to 2 relay switch outputs, meeting various control requirements. The specific product parameters are shown in the figure below. Installation and wiring. First, regarding the installation, the KSLV605 housing comes with mounting threads, with 2 standard sizes, M242 and M21.5. Of course, customers can also customize other installation methods according to their actual needs, such as chuck mounting or flange mounting. This is used for food-grade level meters. In most cases, the sensor is installed at the top, with the rod pointing straight down, while in special situations, side mounting or bottom mounting, rod pointing straight up is also possible. For these special installation methods, it is necessary to contact our technical staff in advance to ensure installation safety and measurement accuracy. The installation method is closely related to selection, and customers need to provide corresponding parameters during selection, such as flange thickness, tank wall thickness, and tank depth. If it is not a flange installation, the so-called flange thickness actually refers to the distance from the top of the sensor's mounting thread to the top of the tank. Next, regarding the wiring. Each output type of the KSLV605 corresponds to a different wiring method. Taking the 4 to 20 milliamperes model with a display that I have on hand as an example, the wiring definitions are as follows. Red is the power supply 12 to 3 OV, or the positive terminal of the 4 to 2 ohm a current loop. Black is GND, or the negative terminal of the 4 to 20 milliamperes current loop. Blue is our S485A, and white is our S485B. Now let's start the wiring. When wiring, it is essential to carefully check the wiring order and power supply voltage before powering on to ensure safety and proper operation. For the wiring definitions of other output types, please refer to the product manual or consult our technical staff in advance. The product also supports replacing the cable material, such as PTFE corrosion-resistant cables or shielded cables, to adapt to different working conditions. Usage. Next, I will demonstrate the reading display on the digital indicator, the 4 to 20 milliamperes output, and how to use Modbus commands to read the sensor address and measurement values. Now we power on the system. And we can see that the digital display is showing a reading. Since the current liquid level has not yet submerged the sensor, the liquid level value is 0, but the display shows 12 millimeters. This is because the bottom structure of the capacitive level meter makes the bottom 12 millimeters of liquid unmeasurable. So it needs to be compensated. This part is called the bottom blind zone. At this time, the current meter shows 4 milliamperes. Next, we gradually increase the liquid level, and we can see that both the current meter and the display readings rise simultaneously. When the liquid level stops at a certain position, the current liquid level is 350 millimeters. The displayed level is 348.7 millimeters. And the error is 1.3 millimeters. As we continue to add water, once the liquid level reaches 500 millimeters, the reading no longer changes because the liquid level has reached the maximum measurable value. Normally, the maximum measurable level is at the bottom of the thread, but for this model, due to the installation position, the liquid does not submerge the bottom of the thread. So, the 5 centimeters below the thread bottom does not have electrodes installed. Now we pump out the liquid to lower the level and observe the change in the reading. The current reading is 467.8 millimeters. Continue pumping to reach a round number. The current reading is 449.4 millimeters. Now drain all the water from the graduated cylinder. Now the level has dropped to the minimum and is no longer in contact with the electrodes. So now the displayed value is the initial value. After watching, for more product details or model options, please contact us via our official email or phone number. We understand your needs.